again. I'm here today to show you some quick and easy steps on how to replace a transmission and alternator without trying to force yourself underneath the assembly. First, after removing the right and left shrouds off the unit and making sure that you have your safety goggles, as you can see that I'm wearing, you want to remove one snap ring and bearing from the step chain assembly. By doing just this, remove that one snap ring and bearing and washer. What I would like to do is on the other side of the unit, I'm going to pull that shaft straight through the assembly. You'll notice once I do this that the steps will tend to fall just ever so slightly. There we go. Just pull the shaft right on through, and now I'll show you what it looks like with the shaft out. As you can see now, once the step shaft is removed, you have a nice good split between the steps. What you want to do, lift up on the top one, fold under, slide right there. Get this one, push underneath, and you'll notice that you got full view of the transmission assembly where you can unloosen and take it off, and also the alternator. You have the bolts right here, nice and easy and accessible. And this is a quick and easy way to get to the transmission and alternator for replacement. Now when you're replacing and putting the step shaft back in, you just want to line up. You'll notice on the bottom of the step you have these little notches in which they'll just line up just like so. What you'll want to do is get your step shaft, as seen here, go through the chain, line up your first hole just like so, and get it started. Once you get that started, you can get the bottom step, going through, and push the shaft straight through. Just like so. Once you get that nice and through, I'll show you how to bolt it back on. What you want to do once you get the shaft all the way through, line it up with the chain and push it all the way through. Once that is done, you want to get your washer, put it back on, bearing, and snap ring. Just like so. Once that's done, you're good to go.